Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP bears continue to target 3,350 ahead of January 9th court filings following a bearish Saturday session. XRP was back in the red this morning. Uncertainty toward the SEC versus Ripple case continues to test buyer appetite. On Saturday, XRP slipped by 21% to end the day at 34,382. There were no updates from the SEC versus Ripple case or crypto market events to provide direction, leaving XRP range-bound. The technical indicators are bearish, with XRP sitting below the 50-day EMA, signaling a return to sub-3350. On Saturday, XRP slipped by 21%, partially reversing a 1.91% gain from Friday. XRP ended the day at $0.34382. Significantly, XRP avoided sub-34 cents for the first time in 3 sessions. A bearish start to the day saw XRP fall to an early low of 34,151. Steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at 33.57, XRP rose to an early evening high of $0.34554. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at 34.95, XRP eased back to end the day at 34,382. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case to provide direction. XRP moves sideways as SEC versus Ripple uncertainty hits buyer appetite. A quiet Saturday session left XRP in a range-bound session. Following the U.S. jobs report and ISM non-manufacturing PMI on Friday, fears of an economic recession outweighed hopes of a less hawkish Fed on Saturday. While Fed monetary policy and the macroeconomic environment remain focal points, the SEC versus Ripple case will continue to be the driving force. The lack of updates from the SEC versus Ripple case led trading volumes lower on Saturday. With the parties having to file oppositions to omnibus motions to seal on Monday, uncertainty toward the outcome of the case will continue to limit the upside. However, 2 court rulings would move the dial and break down support or resistance levels. Investors await a ruling on the SEC motion to redact content from the William Hinman speech-related documents, while the parties also await the court ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacker, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacker. Today, silence on the SEC versus Ripple case will leave XRP in the hands of the broader crypto market. Investors will need a catalyst to break out from the recent ranges. XRP price action at the time of writing, XRP was down 0.79% to 34,110. A mixed start to the day saw XRP rise to an early high of 34,459 before falling to a low of 33,666. XRP fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.3417 and briefly through the second major support level, S2, at 3,396. Technical indicators XRP needs to move through S1 and the 3,436 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at 3,457. A return to 3,450 would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, XRP would likely test the second major resistance level, R2, at 3,477 and resistance at 35. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.3517. Failure to move through S1 and the pivot would bring the second major support level, S2, at 3,396 back into play. However, barring an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub-3350. The third major support level, S3, at $0.3356 should limit the downside. Court rulings on the SEC versus Ripple case would remove the influence of the support and resistance levels. As bullish steam fades, bears drag the XRP price down to 3,405 in the morning. The bears priced XRP at $0.343, but after a decline to 34, the market found some stability. However, buying pressure from investors invalidated the bearish trend, and the price climbed to a session high of 3,455. Recent market dominance has been exercised by bears, resulting in a decline in market price to $0.3405, down 0.54%. The XRP market capitalization fell by 50% to $17,224,395,796, and the 24-hour trading volume fell by 31.73% to $390,711,199, respectively, indicating that selling pressure is intensifying as worry for further price loss prevails. In the previous several hours, the XRP market fluctuated between $0.3342 and $0.3455. If the price keeps going up, the next levels of resistance might be between $0.3600 and $0.3750. In the following days, if XRP's bullish trend persists, these levels of resistance might be challenged. However, the price might fall below the support levels and retrace around $0.3342 if bulls continue to lose ground. If that level is breached, there is the potential for a further pullback to 30 cents or lower. In the near term, the technical ratings indicator flashes a strong sell signal, alerting traders of a likely continuation of the bear rule and prompting them to rethink the direction of their holdings in light of the current market attitude. Furthermore, the Klinger oscillator's recent drop below its signal line implies a negative effect on the XRP market, indicating that bulls have given up. As the Klinger oscillator has achieved a reading of -248.339K and the signal line has reached a value of 246.04K, this bearish crossing is regarded a likely predictor of a continuing negative trend in the market. The MACD line, which gauges market momentum, has been declining, indicating a negative crossover around -0.005 and implying that the XRP market bear trend may continue. This might be seen as a slowdown in XRP market trading activity as a negative indicator. The decrease in XRP trading volume dampens market excitement and push prices considerably down, testing the support level. In conclusion, XRP bulls must raise prices to strengthen support and attract more investors. To maintain momentum and reach new highs, it must break through critical resistance levels. SEC spin doctors trying to hide crypto regulation disaster over the last two U.S. administrations. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has promoted an all-encompassing policy of regulation by enforcement for U.S.-based digital asset markets like Coinbase and the enterprise blockchain industry that develops fintech solutions like Ethereum, Ripple, Stellar and Circle. Two successive chairmen, Jay Clayton and Gary Gensler, said that every digital asset except Bitcoin is a security and should register at the SEC like a stock. The details end there, unless you end up on the wrong side of an SEC lawsuit. The SEC banks on a quick settlement from the parties it charges. Parties which dare to challenge the SEC need financial reserves, superstar lawyers, and years of patience for litigation to play out court. This enforcement produces little clarity for the market or protection of investors, which is the ostensible point of the regulatory exercise. FTX. The SEC claimed this approach would protect investors. That didn't work out for FTX. A series of regulatory mishaps and wealth-destroying events created the current crypto winter. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler claims that FTX, all other digital crypto assets are out of compliance, and their innovators need to come in and register at the SEC. Presumably paper and physical presence at the SEC are just the ticket. In any event, the SEC has not published such registration forms, guidelines, procedures, or instructions, nor any theory of how such regulatory deterrence will protect investors. Sheila Warren, the highly respected head of the Crypto Council for Innovation, observed correctly that the FTX case is not about crypto per se but wrongdoers. Sam Bankman-Fried and his conspirators are being duly charged on multiple charges for fraud, wire fraud, theft, and money laundering by the Department of Justice, in addition to the SEC complaint and another for campaign finance violation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.